What's up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well today. So today, um, all the accounts are gone, which is okay. Don't worry, guys. I planned this. So before I start, today we are Wednesday, September 24. Yesterday's payout, which is Tuesday, arrived. So here, 1.28 USD and 250 USD. When I was withdrawing, I didn't withdraw the correct amount, so I had to do it twice. So right there, right there. So in CAD, it's about 1.77. All right, now that's done. So today, I was thinking in my mind, all right, the challenge is completed. We just got my payout today. So I was like, all right, I proved to myself that I can do it. What's next? Well, either I can keep on going, which is very correct. I'm getting payout and all that. Or I can start playing in the big league. What I mean by the big league is on take profit, buying the 150Ks, the max. And according to my calculation and everything, I can be risking 1K for a 1 to 2. So technically each win is going to be 10K USD, which is crazy. And I'm not even over risking since the 150Ks are meant to size up heavy. So that's my plan. I'll keep posting daily and everything, right? Showing you guys my recap. But yeah, later today, sorry, I'll go and purchase those 5 accounts. So it's gonna cost me around 1.5k Canadian, which is okay. I just got way more than enough to buy for all 5 of these accounts. I know I'll be able to pass them, but for now I need to start locking back in. The thing is, once I got my 20k payout from Take Profit on the other accounts, I was going loose, like just a little bit over trading, entering random trades. I'll admit that, right? But the only reason is because like I wanted to change anyway. So anyway, I don't have any accounts as you guys seen, since they're all blown, right? So I'll go and, like I said, purchase those 5 accounts and start the challenge. I need around, for the 145Ks, the 150s, I need $9,000 to pass my eval, and my drawdown is 4,500. Contracts amount, I'm allowed a lot of contract, which is not a problem. So for the eval, so this is my drawdown. So let's do divided by that. So technically, I can have up to 4 losses and then another loss of 500 before I blow the account, which is very, very rare that I have a whole week red, right? Let's say I lose. One good day, I'm back to 2 trades since I'm risking 1 to 2. So the odds of me blowing the accounts while respecting my rules are very, very low, right? So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna purchase those, pass them. I need 9,000, so it's gonna take me about 1 to 2 weeks. Divided by 2,000. I need to win around 5 trades. So it's just gonna take some time. But once we done it, we just have to meet the buffer. So it's gonna take around 3 trades, and then from there, each win will be around 10k USD, which is crazy. So yeah, that's my game plan going forward. I was looking at getting other prop firm before blowing my accounts. I was like, should I get other prop firms? But they don't have daily payouts. They have some rules. Take Profit, it's like a real account, they pay me instantly and everything. Basically no rules. I really like them. My only concern is just once I get my pro account meeting the buffer, because it is intraday. But once this is done, there's no worries after that. So yeah, that's my game plan. Let me start the recap. We had news at 10 today, and I'll show you guys why I risked heavy. Well, one of the reasons I wanted to change. plus my return of investment, I risked 600 in total for all the accounts and made 20k in payouts. So it was very good. So let's start the recap. I'll show you guys today. I was very confident in my setup. So I was like, all right, I'll just risk. So I risked not 10k. I risked 1,000 for 2,000. And remind you guys, I only have 1.5k. Then I lost. From there, I lost with the 10 a.m. news. Then from there, I was like, all right, I'll just go the other direction, which is no setup, no nothing, and got stopped out again, which I was okay with. And yeah, so let's start. I'll do this one quickly. So what can I see? Well, yesterday we went all the way down, filled all those fair value gaps. Now we created this one, which we are in it and going to the downside. So most likely today I'll be looking bearish, targeting this liquidity zone, right? Perfect. Market open, what can I see? Bang, we swept Asia high, and then what? Reversal. So it is aligned with my context. As of right now, I'm looking for shorts, right? Now we had this 1 minute fair value gap. Perfect. We had this 1 minute fair value gap. That price at 9:35.36 came into it and went down, but it's not in my time, so I didn't trade it. I didn't take it. Sorry. 43, 44, 45. All right. So I'm still leaving it because it's valid, right? But yeah, we go on. Then London low got ran through, so we can just remove it. So as of right now, what is price doing? Bang, we swept this, create a fair value gap, we're going down. So technically, what is price gonna do? Well, we're gonna come back in this fair value gap and then go lower. Right? Right. So from there, I'm just waiting. Waiting. Let's fast forward. We went through previous day low, and not previous day low, but Asia low, sorry. And we created another fair value gap right there. Perfect. And we didn't sweep it, and it's aligned with my context. 953 was my entry. I entered right there. That was my stop loss, my TP. And it made sense. We even had the sell side. We were respecting fair value gap. I just didn't have any price just didn't want to move lower, right? But from there, I was seeing that this, let's remove this. This fair value gap was being respected a lot. And I was like, all right, the odds that we just go down and sweep this and just hit this are a lot. So I entered the other trades. So now I'm risking 1k. And here I was pretty close to getting stopped out, but I just left the trade, right? Either I win or lose. Then let's fast forward. 10:03 I got stopped out, but I should have known. We had news at 10, so if we see right there, 9:59, we went all the way above. And to be honest, the fair value gap, we just need speed, right? All right, it hits and then we go down. When it starts chopping around like that, I should have known to just close the trade completely. But yeah, then when this happened, well, you guys can already see what I'm about to enter. Bang, I'm like, all right, let's just enter off this. And I get stopped out. Risking 500 right there. So yeah, that was basically the trade. Like I said, sometimes we have setups that don't work, and it is what it is. I mean, I went five clean days in a row of winning. Then Monday and Tuesday, they weren't as clean, right? I was not as locked in. Anyway, and then today I just over risked and paid the price, right? But I showed to myself that when I'm actually disciplined and everything, I can make payouts, and that's what mattered. And now I'm ready to take a step, a bigger step, right? I'm not getting more accounts. I want to stick with Take Profit. All right, so what's the move? Getting their bigger size accounts. So yeah, that's my plan. Hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, very soon, give me 1 to 2 weeks, we'll pass the eval, and from there we'll be back. And once I get payouts, it's gonna be crazy. Just 10k days back to back or whatever. It will be insane. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys tomorrow.